So managing your mortgage is much like managing your health. And in fact, it takes a little bit of elbow grease to do both. Hi, I'm Dwayne, and this is Fresh Keys. We all want to stay fit and healthy so we can live longer. And some of us may want a little more, such as a perfectly defined V or a six-pack of abs. Well, all that requires work, discipline, and a balanced diet. The same goes for your mortgage. You want to stay mortgage healthy and protect your property. Here are a few tips. 1. Pay your mortgage on time. As long as you continue making your monthly mortgage payments on time, you'll be in good standing and you stay away from fees or risking default. 2. Pay a little extra. It may not sound like a good idea initially. I mean, why pay more than you need to? But if you find yourself with a little lump sum, pay extra to reduce your principal and to pay off early. 3. Review your mortgage statement. Even if your mortgage is deducted directly from your salary, make sure you're up to date. So take a quick glance at your statements, as that can help you spot any errors and to make sure payments are being applied correctly. And if you're having a difficulty making your monthly mortgage payment, let your mortgage institution know. Mortgage health is mortgage wealth, so protect that investment that you've made. Need help with your mortgage? You can always call us at 888-CALL-NHT.